Hey guys, so it's time to show you how to save your physical notes onto your Google Drive. And it's actually really simple. So I have these notes right here in Cornell style, beautiful Cornell style, bad. And I want to save them in my Google Drive because, you don't want to just have a bunch of paper hanging around. What if you lose it? So what you're going to do is you're going to take a cell phone and make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi because trust me, it does make a big difference. So we go there, we make sure that we're connected to the Wi-Fi, and the only thing we have to do right now is just take a picture of our notes. So I went ahead and opened up my camera. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. Boom, took a beautiful picture of my notes. And the only other thing I got to do now is just go to that recent picture I just took, which I have right here, ready? And at the bottom of there, you're going to see these three little dots connected by lines. And that's going to be used to share. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on that share. And there's going to be a bunch of options that pop up. But guess what? You have a Google account through Kip. So all you have to do right now is go down to a thing called Save to My Drive. And you'll see it right there. Save to My Drive. It is right here. My bad if you can't see it properly, but yeah, it's that triangle right there, Save to My Drive. And yes, I have an Instagram and a Snapchat. I'm a human. But anyway, so you're just going to hit that button that says Save to My Drive, which I will do right now. And it's going to give you this list of things when it goes to Save to My Drive. I'm sorry for the flash, by the way. It's kind of bright. But it's going to have a document title at the very top. And so for that document title, just change it to today's date. So you could change it into notes for Monday, 8/24/20, which would be today's date if you're watching it on Monday, whatever date you have. So if you took this class on Wednesday, the 26th, you would write down notes for Wednesday, 8/26/20. That's an easy way of naming your notes to save them. But once you do that, all you have to do is hit the save button. And guess what? It's going to be uploaded directly into your Google Drive. So just to show you that, let's go ahead and open a new tab. And we are going to go ahead, hit those little dots again. And we're going to go to my drive. Give it 1 second. It's not the fastest thing in the world. And on the quick access bar, let's check it out. There we go. You uploaded just now the notes that we had just taken down, the picture of them that we had just taken down. Let's click on it. And boom, the notes, and they're perfectly saved. So all we are going to do now is we're going to go ahead and try to move them. So now the only thing we got to do is go ahead and save them. And to save them is actually not that difficult, but go ahead and follow along with me. So let's exit that. Let's right click on the picture and we're going to go ahead and hit open with. And what you want to open them with is specifically Google Docs. So we're going to hit on that so we can open a Google Docs. It might take a second, but hey, that's okay. And once it's opened up with Google Docs, you're going to follow the same process as the virtual notes. You're just going to hit File. And let me move my face out of the way. You're going to hit File, Move. And you're going to go ahead and move this to your drive. And specifically back into your notes for biology. And you're just going to hit Move here. That's fine. And that's really it. So now I have it saved in my notes for biology, so I can close this. It might take a second. And when I go back to that folder, there we go. I have the virtual notes, and this is my copy of the physical notes. Now, I know for some of you, you may be thinking, oh, that seems really hard. Why can't I just save the paper? You could honestly do that too. But I would want you guys to do this virtual one because that way you have a guaranteed 100% of the time, I know this is where my notes are. Other than that, get ready for the next slide because you're going to have to put this into practice right now.